Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the contrast in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we can select the project that we want to work on. Let's just tap on it. And here in the editing menu, which opens up, we can tap on the clip that we want to edit. And then in the bottom bar, if we scroll to the right, we find the adjustments button. We tap on this, and then we find the contrast little icon. And if we tap on that, in this little slider, we can adjust the contrast in the picture. If we move it to the right, the contrast is going to increase, as you can see here. Or if we move it to the left, the contrast is going to decrease. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.